I go back to my A priori. And why I gave that A priori, that I dare the PDP to take sides against Wike in this Fubara debacle, I will also heighten my A priori by saying a portion of the PDP is in Wike's back pocket as we speak. And I'll tell you why. This was a man that went to serve in the APC government. He said everything is decimated your party. You can't take action. The last time you were here, we talked about disciplinary action. I say the same thing, still dates. No disciplinary action has been taken against people that worked against your party. There is no discipline, and they have roamed free. So the words, the rhetorics of your publicity secretary that spoke in favor of Fubara, those are just mere words. The organ of the party, I dare them to take an action against Nyesom Wike. I dare, we are waiting. I can give you a 1 year deadline till the next elections. Like, I dare the PDP to take an action. You can see more people are leaving because they see there's no pep, there's no gusto. Take, for instance, the spokesperson of your party in the last election, Boala, has gone to meet the Tinubu camp. There's no gusto. That's just it. So I dare the PDP again to take an action against Wike. Probably when you take the action against a disciplinary against Wike, I take you as a political party. As for now, you are just a house party. You know me, I'm a hard hitter. I say it the way it is. I dare the PDP to support Fubara against Wike. They can never, because Wike has taken a good portion of the party. That's the truth you don't want to see. And that's why I double dare, I triple dare, I quintuple dare, I anything dare the PDP to support Fubara against Wike. Challenge me in return. Tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true.
Okay, Rufai, I might disagree with you.
Oh yeah, I disagree.
And I say so because even yesterday, the National Public Secretary of the party, Debo Ologunagba, did say, and I think it was one of your programs here, did say that the members of the House of Assembly, led by Amewule, I hope I got the pronunciation right, led by Amewule, have ceased to be members of the party, and they have also lost their seats in the House of Assembly just yesterday. So with that disposition from the spokesperson of the party, with that disposition from the National Public Secretary, the current National Public Secretary of the party, it will be difficult for anybody to say that, oh, the party is not with Fubara. I think where the issues are, essentially, is about the constitution of the ESCO of the party in the state. And I've said it earlier on that Fubara was right by declaring that the party had abandoned him. Because outside the tenure of the past Anambra governor between 1999 and 2003, Governor Badineju, he is the only one who had a structure taken completely away from him in the history of the People's Democratic Party. And I know it clearly that what's happening now in Rivers State is a reflection of what happened between 1999 and 2003 in Anambra State, where Mbadinuju could not even contest the election because he was denied the right to contest by the party. But I have also said that I believe that the party can still act right.
Okay, Mr.
In favor of Fubara, because Rufai, let me just finish this thought process, because it is in line with the policy, the structure, the style of the People's Democratic Party. The governor is the leader of the party in their respective states. Okay. And you cannot have two leaders in their respective states.
Mr. Alogbodiyan, once again, I go back to my A priori. And why I gave that A priori, that I dare the PDP to take sides against Wike in this Fubara debacle, I will also heighten my A priori by saying a portion of the PDP is in Wike's back pocket as we speak. And I'll tell you why. This was a man that went to serve in the APC government. He said everything is decimated your party. You can't take action. The last time you were here, we talked about disciplinary action. I say the same thing, still dates. No disciplinary action has been taken against people that worked against your party. There is no discipline, and they have roamed free. So the words, the rhetorics of your publicity secretary that spoke in favor of Fubara, those are just mere words. The organ of the party, I dare them to take an action against Nyesom Wike. I dare, we are waiting. I can give you a 1 year deadline till the next election. Like, I dare the PDP to take an action. You can see more people are leaving because they see there's no pep, there's no gusto. Take, for instance, the spokesperson of your party in the last election, Boala, has gone to meet the Tinubu Kango. There's no gusto. That's just it. So I dare the PDP again to take an action against Wike. Probably when you take the action against a disciplinary against Wike, I take you as a political party. As for now, you are just a house party.
You see, I realize that sometimes we are trying to do everything by ourselves, of which we are going to do it by ourselves. We are going to take our destiny into our hands. But the reason why it is so difficult for us to do is because we don't have opposition party in Nigeria. When I mean opposition party, it's not because you are not a ruling party that makes you the opposition. The word opposition has to do with having a standing point or a standing ground where you have the ability and what it takes to oppose everything that you perceive that is not good from the ruling government. But in Nigeria, opposite is the case. Now, let us look at what Rufai was trying to analyze. How can you imagine that someone who supported Tinubu, he supported Tinubu in the, what is it called, in a presidential election. He supported Tinubu after the presidential election. He was appointed into Tinubu's cabinet at this moment. And he is still pronouncing that in 2027, he is still going to support Tinubu, which is APC. And the same person is a member of PDP. The same person has pocketed PDP in his pockets. So how do you want oppositions in Nigeria to go? How do you want people to talk against the government? Because people who are in the position to talk against the government have been bought over. PDP is one of the useless party I've ever seen in my life. I never knew that PDP will become so useless like this. Honestly, PDP is so useless. When I mean so useless, very useless opposition party. And they all are there. They are looking at Wike. Nobody can talk to him. They all are afraid. What are you people even afraid of? You know what? What you people are afraid of will still come and meet you people. Maybe you are afraid that maybe Wike could use his influence to make sure you will not win in your state. Like the game they are trying to play Obaseki. That is your fear, right? All of you are going to lose when the time comes. When the time comes, the people will come against you people. Because I do not understand a country without opposition party. Everything is left for bloggers and activists to talk, to rant, to do with the opposition work. The opposition party, especially the PDP, as mega as PDP is, they're supposed to be leading the voice of the oppositions. I do not see Atiku doing such a thing. Even P2B is weak in doing such a thing. After all, P2B is the reason why revolution has not even happened in Nigeria. After the presidential election, where everybody knew that what could go wrong has already gone wrong, P2B is treating that everybody should calm down. The same mistake Goodluck Jonathan made in 2015. As a sitting president, he saw that they were rigging an election against him from the north down to the southwest. Tinubu then were rigging an election against Goodluck Jonathan. Goodluck Jonathan said, my ambition is not worth any blood of innocent Nigerians. And he picked the phone and called Buhari and congratulated him. And after congratulating him, what he was running from, so that they would not kill Nigerians, so that there would not be crisis, after he considered defeat, what happened? During the Buhari administration, crisis upon crisis, everywhere scatter. That is the same thing these people are trying to do. They are trying to play safe. And in the process of playing safe, you people will put yourself into danger. You people will put yourself into crisis. You people will put yourself into what you did not even think about. That is the situation we are seeing in this country. PDP has gone, and it has gone forever. In 2000 and what is it called? That is 2027, yes. The left carcass of PDP will be discarded by Wike and his cohorts. Because Wike will make sure that he makes his person to become the PDP flag bearer. In that way, they will make sure that that person will not win. That person can even step down for Tinubu like a day before the election itself. They will play the game. If Atiku comes refuses, PDP will divide into two. And if PDP divide into two, they will have crisis. They might not even have a presidential candidate. What I'm saying that is going to play in 2027. If P2B want to play politics, P2B should Kukuma remain in Labour Party and settle the case in Labour Party. Because as far as PDP is concerned, that party is gone forever. According to Rufai, I dared them to challenge Wike, to cite Fubara against Wike regarding what is going on in Rivers State. There was a contract.